The Disabilities Office is all about support and making sure that you achieve academic success on your course and that you enjoy the experience, learning new skills all the time. The academic staff will talk to you when you begin your course, and if you have a learning difference or a disability, they'll find out exactly how that impacts on you as an individual, and they'll make sure that they make allowances in the course and the delivery to suit your needs. The Disabled Students Allowance will fund non-medical helper support in the form of note takers or study support workers. They'll support you to make sure that you meet the academic requirements of your course. Also, it will pay for any equipment that you might need to level the playing field so that you're not at a disadvantage because of your difficulty or disability. The Disabled Students Allowance can also pay for supportive equipment like dictaphones, and also it will fund one-to-one specialist support. So you will be taught by a specialist tutor who's expert in the field of dyslexia or disability, and they can make sure that you pass your course and enjoy the subject materials. For students with physical or medical difficulties, we can arrange transport to and from the university, and we can also offer advice and guidance for how they can manage on their placement. We offer staff training as well, so that the staff teaching the students understand the difficulties and the adjustments that are needed to cope on the course. A student might come to the Disabilities Office feeling very stressed and not understanding why they're coping really well on their placement, yet they're struggling or appear to be failing on the academic and written side of their work. So we'll work with them to support the academic side and make sure that they achieve success there. Students studying nursing and midwifery very often have quite complicated lives. They're juggling academia with families and jobs and all sorts of things. So what we offer is a welfare service as well. So we can offer advice and guidance about routes for support with other things, not just academic support. We also offer a mental health support service. We have trained mental health nurses who work at the university to support students who might be suffering from depression, stress or anxiety. There's also a counselling service, so people can have fully confidential, free counselling if they require it. It would be really good if you know that you have support needs to get in touch with the Disabilities Office as soon as possible. If you're not sure and believe that you might be struggling at some stage, particularly in the first few weeks of the course, come over and talk to us anyway. A lot of students have orientation problems and get very confused when they're in a new environment. So we can support you and maybe team you up with somebody on your course who can support you through the first few weeks.